Now let's see how we confirm jobs for tomorrow. So in the calendar manager, now you need to pull up jobs for tomorrow by using the job day from job day to. So let's say tomorrow is March 11th, and once you specify those two dates, simply click search, and this will pull up all the jobs that having a job date of 3/11. Now you can sort by the start time if you are the person type of person that will call for all the jobs that have a morning time and first, and then you go to jobs that have an afternoon starting time. What might make more sense, actually better yet, will be just maybe you want to sort by the firm, and sometimes you might have more than one job for same law firm. This way, if I call Michael Steiner's secretary, and after I talk to her, I can simply ask her to pass me through to the secretary of Daniel Berg, so that I don't have to call back the same firm again, being embarrassed, but not knowing that you will have another job for them. So sort by the firm might be a better way to sort your list if you have a lot of jobs for tomorrow. So let's go into each job and how we can confirm and cancel and so on. So I'm going to go into the first one, and I dial this number and ask for Marion, and they said the Marion is at lunch, and she's the only person who will know whether the job is going or not. So again, well, that only thing I can do then is that I simply hit the will call back button. Now the will call back indicates that it's not you will call back, it is that client will call back. So that's what the status is. Now at this time in the remarks line, I'll probably type something like this and go ahead and say okay. Now the status changes to will call back, and I'll just go ahead and save it, close out of that. We are going to go into the other job, and this time I'm talking to Kathy, and Kathy goes, yes, the job is confirmed. And then I'll just simply hit the confirm button at the top, and I'm going to say job is confirmed by, again, always entering the full name, Cassie Smiles, and the job is now confirmed, and we'll go ahead and save and close out of that. And let's go to the other one, and as job gets confirmed, their colors will change to the colors that I set up under the system preferences. So we'll go to the next one, and this one, Jane Roberts says that the job is canceled, and you always will ask, do you have a new date for this witness? And now if they do say they have a new date, then we'll use the reschedule button. If they simply say no, we don't have the new date, we'll just simply go ahead and either cancel this one. So this time let's just go ahead and cancel since they don't have the new date, and cancel by Jane Roberts, and say yes, and save it, close out of that. Now we'll just do one more here, and this one I'll cancel it by talking to Stephen Pettit, attorney. He said he's not able to locate the witness and needs to go ahead and reschedule that. So in RB8, reschedule means that we are canceling the current job, and we'll make a copy of it with a new date, and we'll create a new job from that. So you will now this time hit the reschedule button, and the system will ask you what is the new date, and we'll go ahead and pick a new date. And you also need to say who authorized to cancel the current job and reschedule once we start blaming game here. So we're going to save that. Now what you're looking at is the new job that is created with the due date of March 20th. If you look at the notes log, actually status log, it'll actually tell you this job has been created from this job, old job here. So you go save and close that, and now we have the new date there. So as you go down the list, job will be confirmed, and the colors will change to green, which means go, and job gets canceled means that it'll turn into red, which means stop, or sometimes get rescheduled. And later on, you can go to the job status, and sort the entire list by the job status column. So you can see what's left to be confirmed, and then some jobs will say will call back. That means you're still waiting for a call from the client who wasn't there when you called.